Hello guys, in the last video we saw how we can print the custom message in our message box. So in this session we are going to see how we can print our custom message or display our custom message with our own name. So what we will do, we will pass our own name while executing the bot, okay, and that name bot will consider to print in the message box. First of all, we will see how we can get the values from user end with the activity. So for that we will search the input dialog box activity. Okay, so this is the activity. So before message box we will drag and drop over here, and here the dialog title is nothing but your title of your dialog message. So I am giving like name. Label is nothing but what text to be inserted in the input dialog box. So I will say enter your name. Okay, so enter your name, and when the bot execution started, this input dialog box will start executing and ask user to insert the name. We should store that name, and that name should be passed to this message box. So how we can do this? In the UiPath we can store the data, okay, or you can say the now name into the variables, okay, into the variables. So what we will do, we will create a variable to store the name. So let's click on create variable and name it as name, okay, and the variable type is string. String is nothing but the text. If you want to pass text, then we should select the string as type of variable. Okay, now just go into the value entered. So the value entered will be stored in that variable. So the variable name, just try to type the variable name. Your variable name will be appear over here. Just select that, and the variable name will be used into the message box. So let's expand this message box, and if you see, the robot should be replaced with your variable name, right? So just remove this, and how we can join, or you can say the concatenate the string values with your variable. Simply just put plus sign, okay, make sure you should close that double quotes before that and close the double quotes after that. Okay, so like this is starting, this is ending of the double quotes, also this starting and ending of the double quotes. So the static, or you can say the only the text should be the into the double quote like this, and your variable should be in between plus sign, okay, or you can say the variable and the string will be concatenate with the plus sign. So I will pass the variable name like this, okay, and I will click on save, and your process, or you can say the bot, is ready to get the details, or you can say the name from the user, and it will display your name into the message box. Let's run. So see the name with the title, and this is the label, enter your name. So I will pass name as robot, or you can say the my tech hub RPA, and I will click on OK. See, hello, my tech hub RPA, welcome to UiPath. So just simply click on OK. Your bot is ready to take input from user, and that input will be stored in your variable, which is type string, and that variable will be passed to the message box, and your bot is ready. Okay, so that's it into this video. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Your support is greatly appreciated.